So, hold on. Just hear me out on that. Hold on. I'm gonna go close the door. Hey. Okay, so I haven't been like, I don't know. I haven't been uploading a lot of videos lately. But I did change my name. First it was AJ Slay Gang, but now it's Lil Lonnie. So yeah, I just changed it. I don't know why, I just like thought of it recently. But I just want you to see the slime that I'm going to do. So I'm just going to be adding water to slime. But first, we need to hear a little ASMR to see how good these slimes are. I did have a lot of other slimes, but I don't know why I throw my slimes away all the time. So these are the only slimes I have. I don't know if you guys can hear. So that was the blue one. Hold on, let me do one more squeeze of the blue one. Yeah. Now it's this weird slime. Is there some blue one in there? We don't want that. This was supposed to be goat slime, but didn't turn out good. So hold on, let me just take that blue stuff out. Hold on. Hopefully you guys hear that. If you don't, I'm doomed. But of course, this is a little ASMR. Oh my god, guys, look. I'm gonna try to do a thumbnail. Okay. Or like this. Okay, that's a thumbnail. So yeah, let's get right into, that was cringy. Okay, let's get right into our putting water into slime. Bye. Okay, sorry. Okay, we're right into our next. I'm trying to put like a thing over there because it's right in my way. But we're putting water in and slime, so we did it. I don't know which one to do first. I feel like I'm doing this one first, just because it's like more, flexible. Sorry, I like dancing. Okay, so we're just gonna add some water. Can you guys hear the water? I'm gonna move this out of your way, because I don't want it to be like right there. This video is a very, did the light just flicker? So this is I was saying that how this is a very like weird video. I don't know. Like really stiff, like it won't stretch. Well, people say that water makes slime sticky. I'm like, I don't know, which I saw before, but I never like got to put water in the slime and see if it's sticky or not. So I guess you have to mix it in the slime like really good. I might do a mukbang, I don't know. But not in this video, because then I don't know what the title will be. And this will be a super long video. So yeah. Hold on. I don't know where there's soap in my hands. There is soap in the sink, but I don't know if my hands touched it or not. So we're just gonna. So we're just gonna go like this. I like doing this with my slimes. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm taking a lot of thumbnails because I don't know which one it should be. Yeah, I think I keep touching the soap that's in the sink. My sink is so clean. It's amazing. Oh, crap. So, yeah, that's basically it. I don't know. Guess that's it for this one. But we're gonna try this one. We gotta be quick. Hold on. I'm gonna try to do like a weird thumbnail. I broke my freaking wrist. So thank you so much, people, for the fans. I've got yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Please go subscribe and like my videos and like this video. And comment if you want. You don't have to comment, but if you want to comment, you can comment. Thank you so much. Bye.